What's up, everybody? Lego Builder here, and today I'm back for some more DQ Blizzard reviews. Yep, it's been a while since I made videos about these. Now I got the Cotton Candy Blizzard. What I'm gonna do now is give this a try, see how it tastes. These are really neat. Here we go. Here comes the crunching sounds. Mmm. Yep. It tastes like cotton candy. Very delicious. I'm going to take another bite. See what the flavor is on cotton candy. Mmm, delicious. It's really yummy for the summer. I remember trying the brownie batter, Girl Scout Thin Mint, M&M's, and Peppermint Hot Cocoa Blizzard, and everything else. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Try this Blizzard. You'll like it. It's really, really yummy. Especially delicious. So anyways, guys, see you next time. Bye. Enjoy the video.